Hi everyone, this is your math guru. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Today, we're going to be walking through dividing quantities in a given ratio. In the first example, we have divide $14,000 in the ratio 3 to 4. The quantity we are dividing is $14,000. The ratio given, which is 3 to 4, is equal to 3 plus 4, which is 7 parts in total. To find the value of one part, we are going to divide a quantity by 7. So one part equals $14,000 divided by 7. And that's going to give us $2,000. And once we get the value of one part, we can get the value of the other parts. So 3 parts from our ratio will be the value of one part, which is 2,000 times 3, which will give us $6,000. The value of 4 parts will be the value of one part, which is still at $2,000 times 4, and that will give us $8,000. Do a double check to be sure we got the right answer. The value of the 3 parts and 4 parts with 6,000 plus 8,000 will give us $14,000, which is the original quantity we are trying to divide. Let's look at another example. In this second example, we are trying to divide 600 meters in the ratio 2 to 3 to 3. The quantity we are trying to divide is, sorry about the dollar sign. The quantity we are trying to divide is 600 meters. The ratio given is 2 to 3 to 3. We're going to find the sum of our ratio. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8 parts in total. And because we know that 600 meters is divided into 8 parts in total, we are going to find the value of one part, which is going to be the quantity we are trying to divide, 600 meters, divided by 8. 600 divided by 8 will give us 75 meters. That is the value of one part. Therefore, to get 2 parts from our ratio, we'll multiply the value of one part, which is 75 meters, times 2, and that is going to give us 150 meters. To get 3 parts, we are going to multiply the value of one part by 3, which is going to give us 225 meters. And for the last value of our ratio, that's 3 parts again, we get the same value for one part times 3, which is 225 meters. To do a double check, we have, for the 2 parts, we have 150 meters plus 225 plus another 225 for the last value of our ratio. That's going to give us 600 meters in total, which is the quantity we are trying to divide. Let's go ahead with a couple of more examples. In this example, we have split, which is also the same thing as divide or share, 450 among 3 boys in the ratio 2 to 3 to 4. The quantity we are trying to split or divide is 450. The ratio we are trying to split it into is giving us 2 to 3 to 4. Let me correct that. And that will give us 2 plus 3 to know the total parts, plus 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9 parts in total. To get the value of one part, we are going to be dividing our quantity, which is 450 by 9. And for one part, 450 divided by 9, we are going to have 50 cents. Therefore, to get the value of 2 parts, we are going to multiply the value of one part by 2. And that is going to give us 1 rand. To get the value of 3 parts, we are going to multiply the value of one part, which is 50 cents, by 3, and that is going to give us 1 rand 50. And to get the value of 4 parts, we're going to multiply the value of 1 part by 4, and that is going to give us 2 rands. To do a double check, let's add all the parts together. We have 1 rand plus 1 rand 50 plus 2 rands. That is going to give us a total of 4 rand 50, which is the original quantity we are trying to divide. Let's look at one more example. In this last example, we have share 35 pence among 2 girls in the ratio 3:2. The number of pence we are trying to share is 35 pence, and the ratio given is 3:2. And to find the total ratio, we're going to add all the values of a ratio, and that will give us 5 parts in total. Since we know that the value of the quantity given, which is 35 pence, can be split into 5 parts in total, we're going to find the value of 1 part, which means we're going to divide 35 pence by 5, and that is going to give us 7 pence. Therefore, to get the value for 3 parts, we're going to multiply the value for 1 part, which is 7 pence, by 3, and that is going to give us 21 pence. Also, we're going to do that for 2 parts, which is the value of 1 part, 7 pence times 2, which is 14 pence. Let's do it. Check. We have 21 pence plus 14 pence, and that is going to give us 35 pence, the quantity we started with. Thanks for watching. Bye.